Alright, so we got a Chevy truck here, fucking key. Worn the fuck down. Focus on those last two nubs there. Nothing. Not enough to turn the key over, so the key was all locked up in there, so we did some drilling. Now, who needs keys? Come on now. Sweet. But now we gotta find the auxiliary position so we can push the little screw in this hole right here. And then that will release the lock cylinder. But literally everything in removing this lock cylinder has not gone the way the internet said it would, or the manual said it would. It'll beat that up a little bit, but that's alright. So we're gonna try and get that out of there somehow. Stay tuned.